everybody, April here, and we're gonna do another random painting. So I don't remember which cup is which, but one of these has a style, if you will, or technique, and the other one has a color combination to use. So let's see what I get. Let's see, I picked one from that cup and we'll go with this one. So I don't know which side's which. Okay. Oh, white, gold, and black. Okay. And what are we gonna do with it? A split cup. All right. White, gold, and black. Well, let's see what I come up with for that. Okay. So, the only split cups that I own are 20-ounce split cups, and this is only an 8x10 canvas. So 20 ounces would be slightly overkill. So these are little 5-ounce Dixie cups, and I taped them together so that I can fill them up with paint and squash them together at a point here and pour. And I put it on my Lazy Susan because I think that might work out really cool. So I have black, I have white. Not that you can tell by my bottle because it's covered in other paint. And then I decided to do this very, very, very yellowy gold. This is, let's see, this is folk art and it's Inca gold. So I'm hoping this will be the little bit of jazz that it needs. I'm gonna put black in one side, white in the other side, and gold in between layers. So let's start layering. And I'm going to try to turn this while I do it. This might need more white. I'm going to put just a speck more white in here so it's a little more even with the black. I thought they were even, but you know, it's fine. This is looking pretty awesome. I definitely have enough paint here. It's hard to guess when you're dealing with a cup that holds the exact amount of paint you need and you then double the cup. All right, interesting. I can dig that. I have just a little bit of paint left in those cups. Now, do I want to spin this or tilt? Give it a little spin. This is so interesting. And that gold is really like bleeding into that black. That's so interesting. This is gonna end up being a really, 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 really golden piece, I think. Let's keep spinning, tilt. I don't know, I'm gonna spin again. Yep. One more time. very nice. That just about made it to the edge. So I'm going to cover this corner a little bit better. And we're going to spin to make this look a little bit more natural. Instead of like, I just dumped a bunch of random paint on the edge here. And this should be done. Cool. This looks super awesome. Stop moving. Quite pleased with that. Let's bring you down for a close-up. So you can see all this gold has kind of merged into the black. So that was unexpected. I did not think it would melt into it quite so much, and it kind of did it in the white a little bit too. That was very, very unexpected. This is such a cool spot right here. There's a lot of gold sitting on top of the black here, but it made these crazy lines that I'm kind of thrilled with. This is gonna be real nice and sparkly when it dries. And then these almost look like feathers, like peacock feathers. Overall, I'm very pleased. And that was my mystery pour of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.